This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your GMC Acadia. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving, ensuring you see clearly without blinding oncoming traffic. You will need a few simple tools: a measuring tape, some painter's tape, and a Phillips head or Allen wrench, depending on your specific adjustment screws. Before you begin, park your Acadia on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. This distance is critical for accurate aiming. Make sure your tires are correctly inflated and your fuel tank is full. For the most precise adjustment, have one person, weighing approximately 160 pounds, sit in the driver's seat to simulate normal driving conditions. First, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your low-beam headlight and transfer that exact height to the wall with tape. Now, draw a horizontal line across the wall at this height. For the passenger side, mark 2 inches below this line. For the driver's side, mark 4 inches below. Next, open your hood and find the vertical adjustment screws, usually accessible through a small hole near each headlight. With your low beams on, cover one headlight to focus on the other. Use your tool to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Clockwise typically raises the beam, counterclockwise lowers it. Adjust the beam so its top edge aligns with the 2-inch mark for the passenger side and the 4-inch mark for the driver's side. Repeat this process for the other headlight. Finally, uncover both lights and verify that your newly adjusted beams provide clear, safe illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.